In this video, we'll be sharing with you 10 insanely cheap food ideas for frugalists in 2023. Whether you're trying to save money, reduce food waste, or just looking for some budget-friendly meal ideas, you've come to the right place. Get ready to be inspired and let's dive into the world of frugal eating. Idea 1. Shop seasonal. Shopping seasonally can be a savvy way to save money on your grocery bills while also supporting local farmers and enjoying produce at its peak flavor. When you buy fruits and vegetables that are in season, you're not only getting them at their freshest, but you're also avoiding the added costs of importing them from far-off lands. Plus, seasonal produce tends to be more abundant and therefore less expensive, making it a great option for those looking to eat well on a budget. But how do you know what's in season? One way to stay on top of the seasonal produce game is to visit your local farmer's market or farm stand where you can find a variety of fruits and vegetables that are locally grown and harvested at their prime. Alternatively, you can do a quick online search for what's in season in your area during a given month and plan your meals around those ingredients. Shopping seasonally doesn't mean you have to sacrifice variety either. Each season offers a unique array of fruits and vegetables that can be incorporated into a wide range of dishes. For example, in the spring you can enjoy vibrant greens like asparagus and spinach, while summer brings juicy tomatoes, sweet corn, and refreshing watermelon. Fall and winter offer a bounty of hearty root vegetables like sweet potatoes and beets, as well as flavorful squash and citrus fruit. Idea 2. Cook in bulk. Cooking in bulk can be a great way to save time and money while also ensuring that you always have healthy meals on hand. By preparing large batches of food at once, you can cut down on the number of times you need to cook during the week and have leftovers for lunch or dinner the next day. This is especially useful for busy individuals who don't have the luxury of spending hours in the kitchen each night. To make bulk cooking more efficient, it's important to have the right tools and equipment. Large pots, slow cookers, and baking sheets can all be useful when it comes to preparing big batches of food. You'll also want to invest in high-quality storage containers, such as glass jars or BPA-free plastic containers, to keep your food fresh and organized. When planning your bulk cooking sessions, it's important to choose recipes that are easily scalable and can be stored well. Soups, stews, chili, and casseroles are all great options that can be easily reheated and enjoyed later in the week. You can also prepare large batches of grains like rice or quinoa and roast a big batch of vegetables to use as side dishes or add to salads throughout the week. Cooking in bulk doesn't have to be boring or repetitive either. With a little creativity, you can turn one large batch of food into several different meals. For example, a big pot of chili can be used as a topping for baked potatoes, turned into taco filling, or served over a bed of greens for a hearty salad. Idea 3. Embrace beans and legumes. Beans and legumes are often overlooked as a source of protein and fiber, but they can be an affordable and delicious addition to your meals. Not only are they versatile and filling, but they're also packed with essential nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways. For starters, beans and legumes are a great source of plant-based protein, making them an excellent alternative to meat for those looking to reduce their animal protein intake. They're also rich in fiber, which helps to promote healthy digestion and can keep you feeling fuller for longer periods of time. In addition to their nutritional benefits, beans and legumes are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. From black beans to chickpeas to lentils, there are countless varieties to choose from, each with their own unique flavor and texture. They can be used in soups, stews, salads, and dips, or even as a meat substitute in dishes like veggie burgers or tacos. Another benefit of beans and legumes is that they're often available in dried form, which can be a cost-effective way to incorporate them into your meals. Simply soak and cook them ahead of time and then store them in the fridge or freezer for later use. Idea 4. Eat more grains. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Grains have been a staple food in many cultures for thousands of years, and for good reason. They're not only delicious, but they're also packed with nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways. Incorporating more grains into your diet can help you feel more energized, promote healthy digestion, and even lower your risk of chronic diseases. Whole grains, in particular, are an excellent source of fiber, which helps to keep your digestive system healthy and can also promote feelings of fullness. They're also rich in vitamins and minerals, such as iron, magnesium, and B vitamins, which are essential for maintaining good health. Another benefit of grains is their versatility in the kitchen. From quinoa to brown rice to farro, there are countless varieties to choose from, each with its own unique flavor and texture. They can be used as a base for salads, added to soups and stews, or even used as a substitute for meat in dishes like grain bowls. In addition to their nutritional benefits, grains can also be an affordable and sustainable option for those on a budget. Buying grains in bulk can be a cost-effective way to incorporate them into your meals, and they're often available in packaging that's easily recyclable or compostable or compostable. Idea 5. Look for sales and coupons. Saving money on groceries can be a great way to stretch your budget and make the most of your hard-earned cash. One of the easiest ways to do this is by keeping an eye out for sales and coupons when shopping for food. Sales can be an excellent way to save money on items you regularly buy, from pantry staples to fresh produce. By planning your meals around what's on sale, you can often find great deals on ingredients that might otherwise be out of your budget. Some stores even offer discounts on bulk purchases, allowing you to stock up on essentials like rice, pasta, and beans at a lower cost. Coupons can also be a valuable tool when it comes to saving money on groceries. Many stores offer digital or paper coupons that can be applied at checkout, giving you an instant discount on your purchase. You can often find these coupons online in store flyers or even in your local newspaper. In addition to saving money, looking for sales and coupons can also be a fun way to try new foods and experiment with new recipes. By taking advantage of sales on produce or trying out a new ingredient that's on sale, you might discover a new favorite dish or find a new way to prepare an old favorite. Idea 6. Make your own sauces and dressings. Store-bought sauces and dressings can be convenient, but they can also be expensive and loaded with preservatives and other additives. Making your own sauces and dressings at home can be a great way to save money, reduce waste, and create delicious, healthier alternatives to store-bought options. One of the benefits of making your own sauces and dressings is that you have complete control over the ingredients. You can choose high-quality ingredients like fresh herbs and spices and tailor the flavor to your personal taste preferences. This can result in sauces and dressings that are not only healthier but also more delicious. Making your own sauces and dressings can also be a fun and creative process. With a few simple ingredients and a bit of experimentation, you can create unique flavor combinations that you won't find in any store-bought options. And because you're making them yourself, you can adjust the consistency and texture to suit your needs. In addition to being cost-effective and delicious, making your own sauces and dressings can also be a sustainable option. By using up ingredients you already have on hand, you can reduce food waste and save money on future grocery trips. And by avoiding store-bought packaging, you can also reduce your environmental impact. Idea 7. Eat more vegetarian meals. Eating more vegetarian meals can be a great way to save money on groceries while also promoting good health and reducing your environmental impact. Vegetarian meals can be just as satisfying and delicious as their meat-based counterparts, and they offer a range of benefits for both your body and the planet. One of the benefits of eating more vegetarian meals is that they can be cheaper than meat-based meals. Plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, and tofu are often more affordable than meat and can be used in a variety of tasty and satisfying dishes. Additionally, vegetables, fruits, and grains tend to be less expensive than meat and can provide important nutrients for your body. In addition to being cost-effective, eating more vegetarian meals can also promote good health. Studies have shown that vegetarian diets can be lower in saturated fat and cholesterol, which can reduce the risk of heart disease and other chronic conditions. Vegetarian diets are also often higher in fiber and other important nutrients, which can support good digestion and overall health. Eating more vegetarian meals can also be a sustainable choice, as it can reduce your environmental impact. Meat production is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, and reducing meat consumption can help to reduce your carbon footprint. Additionally, choosing plant-based proteins can help to reduce land use and water consumption associated with meat production. Idea 8. Plan your meals and use a grocery list. Meal planning can be as simple or as detailed as you like. Some people prefer to plan out their meals for the entire week, while others plan just a few days in advance. Regardless of your approach, the key is to choose meals that are affordable, nutritious, and easy to prepare. Look for recipes that use simple ingredients and can be prepared in bulk, which can save you time and money in the long run. Once you have your meal plan, it's time to make your grocery list. Be sure to take inventory of what you already have on hand, so you don't end up buying duplicates. When writing your list, be specific about the quantities you need and prioritize items that are essential for your planned meal. Additionally, consider purchasing items in bulk if you know you'll use them regularly, as this can often be more cost-effective. When you're at the store, stick to your list as closely as possible. Avoid impulse purchases and try to resist the temptation to buy items that aren't essential for your planned meals. By staying focused and organized, you can save money and ensure that you have everything you need to prepare nutritious and delicious meals at home. Idea 9. Use leftovers creatively. One of the easiest ways to use leftovers is to simply reheat and enjoy them as is. However, if you're looking for something a little more exciting, there are plenty of creative options to choose from. For example, leftover rice can be turned into a delicious fried rice dish with the addition of some veggies, eggs, and soy sauce. Similarly, leftover roasted vegetables can be used to make a hearty and nutritious soup. Another option is to use leftover meat as a topping for salads, sandwiches, or pizzas. Leftover chicken or beef can be shredded and mixed with mayonnaise, celery, and spices to make a flavorful and filling chicken salad. Or you can chop up leftover meat and use it to top a homemade pizza, along with some cheese and veggies. If you're feeling particularly adventurous, you can even use leftovers to create entirely new dishes. For example, leftover mashed potatoes can be used to make potato pancakes or nashi, while leftover pasta can be turned into a tasty frittata. The possibilities are endless, and all it takes is a little bit of creativity and experimentation to turn your leftovers into something truly delicious. Idea 10. Use simple ingredients and spices. One of the keys to using simple ingredients is to choose items that can be used in multiple dishes. For example, onions, garlic, and canned tomatoes can be used as the base for a wide variety of sauces and soups. Similarly, potatoes, carrots, and celery can be used in everything from stews to casseroles. When it comes to spices, a little can go a long way. By stocking up on basic herbs and spices such as salt, pepper, cumin, and paprika, you can add depth and flavor to your dishes without breaking the bank. You can also experiment with different spice combinations to create new and exciting flavors. Another benefit of using simple ingredients and spices is that it allows you to focus on the quality of your ingredients. Instead of relying on pre-packaged sauces and seasonings, you can choose fresh produce and high-quality meats to create dishes that are both healthy and delicious.